Hi everyone. This is Eileen. This is one of my students. She's one of my first students actually. She's recently launched her first product, but I will let her introduce herself. So tell us a little bit about yourself.
Again, I'm Eileen, and I'm over in Miami, Florida, and I've been a pharmacist now for 20 years. And as I tell Vic, I'm a little tired of being in the cage every day, and I'm looking for an opportunity to have some financial freedom and be able to take my laptop and work anywhere instead of being caged in.
Yeah. So
I'm
how
fine.
how did you find Amazon, and how did you know Amazon was the business that you wanted to look into and start?
Well, Amazon, I mean, I shop there almost every day. I know it's a very great, successful company. So I thought, why not sell myself on the same platform
Yeah. And
since
why
I'm a
did you,
buyer?
what did you see? Did you find some videos or did you find any other information before you started doing anything on Amazon?
I ran across Udemy online courses.
Okay,
There
yeah.
was very, $10 course. I started watching, but I found it very tedious, very long. I mean, it had some good information. Some of it may be outdated
Yeah.
when I compare it to your course, but
Yeah.
yeah, there's no comparison to your course. There's just like
I
like
haven't paid you to I haven't paid her
you
to
read
say
the
that.
whole, and you buy the cliff notes when you don't want to read the whole book.
Yeah.
You like make this much information into this
Yeah,
into the point.
I'm the Cliff Note guy. That's just
You're the cliff note
yeah, I
guy.
just can't do the whole I don't need to know, everything. How do I just go about doing it and just let me know what I'm
Exactly.
doing and why I'm doing the bits that I'm doing. Cool. So what was the so why did you make the decision to actually go and buy the course and start that?
Actually, I had a little help from my husband, and he was watching a lot of your videos, and he also was, captivated by the way you presented the information. And
Okay.
he said, "Oh, let's take a look at his course," and we just took it from there. He
Yeah.
spoke with you, I believe,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
he
we
asked you about
messaged first, yeah.
being able to have some sessions on the phone with you,
Yeah.
and we came to an agreement, and that's why we're here.
Cool. So I guess people who are probably watching this want to understand a little bit more around the course and probably what you got out of it. Initially, you've gone through the whole course. What are your initial thoughts once you'd been through the course?
The course, in all aspects, is perfect because I mean, I had to go through it. Maybe I watched it once entirely,
Hmm.
and then when I started with research of the product, I would go over and watch them,
Yeah.
over and over. It's a lot of information in like your little 7-minute videos. There's like a
Yeah.
ton of information, which is good. But when you're a beginner, you kind of need to like, or for me, I need to hear it a couple times.
Yeah.
But I would always go back and revisit wherever I was at in the process. I would go back and
Okay.
rewatch those videos over and over.
So I usually see the Amazon FBA generally as a few main sections that you need to understand and know, other than all the little bits and facets that kind of fix everything together and go in between. So obviously one of them is product research. One of them is getting in contact with suppliers and getting your shipping sorted. And then the next one would be launching your product. And then the next one would be growing your business. Um, was there any piece of, did you have a favorite module or did you have any thoughts on those specific modules?
No, they at the time they seem challenging when you approach it the first time, but then once you get over it,
Yeah.
you're like, okay, I've done that, I did well. Now what's the next step? And then like you see it for the first time, you see yourself, you actually do it and you complete it and you get proud of yourself. You're like, wow, I did it.
Yeah.
Everything came out perfect. My product arrived to the Amazon warehouse
Yeah.
just like I wanted it to. So
So,
I feel
did you have
good about
any
that.
previous experience in this kind of arena, online, building an online business?
Um, well, I do sell stuff on one of the apps, Poshmark,
Okay.
like my doctor's clothes, and so I do have that going on.
Yeah.
Whenever I'm like cleaning our closets.
Yeah.
Before donating and stuff, I try to sell some stuff because a lot of her stuff is new.
It's like an eBay. It's like an eBay, is it?
Kind of, yeah. You just post pictures of the item and you just take it to the post and you print the label, the shipping label, and
Yeah.
then they take care of everything.
Cool.
It's an easy way to get rid of stuff in the house.
So I guess what everyone probably wants to know is when did you launch and how's your business going so far and where do you see it going?
I just recently launched about a month ago. My product arrived second week of January. So I'm still trying to perfect everything.
Yeah.
But after speaking with you today, I know everything. We're going to make it work and look good. I've already gotten about 20 sales this first month.
Yeah.
And I have 3 reviews and more coming.
Yeah.
So I look forward to the next 30 days to see what happens. We can have another chat.
So with your experience so far, what do you think is a realistic time frame to actually start making some profit?
From the looks of it being 1 month into it, I think it'll take about 3 months.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Because I get a lot of...
Realistically.
Yeah, because you see a lot of stuff online and people are obviously talking about what they made on their first day and what they made in their first month. So I wanted to make sure that people fully understand and how, what's the realistic kind of time frame that it would take to do this. So I'm glad you said that.
I think 3 months, and I think when I do my second product, I think it maybe less.
Yeah.
Because I already know, what I got to do. This is all first time learning experience.
Yeah.
Cool. I could apply everything that I learned here to the next product, so it should be a little bit faster.
Yeah. Okay. So, what would this mean? So, if once your Amazon store is up and running, you got more products coming in, and you're making the money that you want to make, how will this change your life, your husband's life, your kids' life? How will it change things for you?
Well, they'll have a happier wife and a happier mom. So, happy wife, happy life.
Yeah.
But no, we would be able, I guess, to do a lot more than we do now.
Yeah. And you mentioned before that you wanted to get out of that cage. Did you want to completely leave the job, the industry?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Then, is this something that you want to do full time?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. Cool. So I'm going to wrap this up. I want to ask you a couple of questions that would be really useful to to whoever's watching this. If there is there any advice that you'd give yourself from when you first started? So in terms of how you would approach doing this, or what route you would take, how you'd go about doing research, or any type of advice that you'd give yourself. Would you change anything? If so, what would it be?
No, never give up.
Yeah.
Because I think every product is going to have its own issues that are going to arise, and you just got to tackle them however they arise.
Yeah.
I may not run into the same problem, but there's always a solution.
Yeah.
So I think it's just learning experience, with the suppliers or whether, the warehouse. And at some point they wanted to split it up into 2, and I was like, no. So I ran into all these things, but I overcame them, and there was always a solution. So.
Yeah. I gotta say, you're a good problem solver when it comes to stuff like that. You did do everything you could to try to solve the problem, so it only went to one specific center, and you got it sorted. So, if there's any advice that you'd give to anyone who's watching this, what advice would you give? Let's say there's somebody who's watching this who's either thinking about starting an online business or thinking about Amazon FBA. What personal advice would you give them?
To absolutely sign up for the FBA Stars course with you, Vik, because you've been absolutely helpful, and you've always been there with answering my emails. I may not email you for a while, then I bombard you.
Yeah, sometimes I see email after email coming through. I'm like, what is she doing?
Yeah, but you were patient, and you answered them all.
Yeah. Cool.
right away. So I'm very thankful.
Cool. Well, okay,
Very well.
we'll probably have another call at some point soon to update people on where you are and how you're getting on. But thanks for your time today.
Okay.
I hope this was, massively useful to anyone out there as well who's thinking about starting. You could probably get in touch with Eileen on in the Facebook group. And yeah, if you have any questions for her or for me, you know
Yeah,
where we are.
absolutely. Feel free to send me messages.
Yeah.
I'll answer them.
Cool. All right. Thanks, Eileen. And I'll catch you soon.
All right.
Bye.
Ciao. Bye bye.